the LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Alcatel CAMEOX for AT&T prepaid, guys. So this is not a new phone. It's been out for like a good while now. For like I say about a good while. It's been out for like several months now, and so here it is. It's $44.99, guys. So this is a refurbished phone here, as you guys will see right there in the URL. So if you guys are looking to get a cheap phone or whatever, this one might be for you. There it is, guys. It's your budget phone, so it is what it is, guys. So I do like the name of the phone, CAMEOX. I do like the name of it. I think it's a nice name, you know what I'm saying? So it says here, value packed, easy to use smartphone, watch TV and movies on the 5-inch display, stay updated with friends and family with 4G LTE speeds, stay connected with a powerful, power efficient battery. So there's your phone, like I said. There's your front facing camera, your proximity sensor, your speaker right there, your earpiece, your screen and your 5-inch display. And your buttons, back and recents, they're not removable. They're just there. They're just there. So yeah, man. See, it looks like it's available in white here, as you guys will see. You guys have the back of the phone is the camera plus AT&T branding, Alcatel branding, and your speaker on the back, and your volume and power buttons are on the right side of the phone. Alright. Here's your bottom of the phone is your charging port, which is micro USB, and your headphone and your microphone. I'm not a fan of where the charging port is located. I'm not a fan of that. It's just an awkward position. It reminds me of some old HTC phones, like the HTC 1M7 from several years ago. I just don't like the location of the charging port. I just don't like it. It's in a weird ass place. Don't know why Alcatel put it there, but it is what it is, guys. Left side of the phone, you have nothing. So yeah. Right side of the phone, like I said, you'll have your volume buttons and your texture power button right there. So that's nice. On the top of the Alcatel CAMEOX is your headphone jack and your noise cancellation microphone, which is nice to have. And that looks like it's it for the tour of the phone there. So the phone don't look, yeah, it's alright, I guess. I mean, it's a budget phone, so it is what it is. Key features of this phone, just ignore that. Key features of this phone is AT&T certified restore. This is a certified pre-owned. This is refurbished phone. You have independently been tested and reconditioned pre-owned phone, like new condition, with a 90-day warranty. So that's good, at least. Entertainment on the go, stream videos and catch up on TV shows with 5-inch display and great sounding speaker. Sleek design, highly polished frame with micro texture back and engraved power key, easy to hold and use. Long battery life. Stay connected with power efficient 2050 milliamp battery, up to 15 hours of talk time in power saving mode. So that's a win. This is a refurbished phone, guys, so that's why the price is $45. So if you guys are looking to get a cheap phone for a backup or whatever, let me check this phone out. I mean, I do like the name of the phone. I think it's a nice phone. All the essentials, all the entertainment, all the fun, big picture entertainment. You will love streaming video and catching up on TV shows with the crisp 5-inch display and the great surrounding and the great sounding speaker system, perfect for sharing with friends. Eye-catching design with a polished frame, a micro textured back, and an engraved power key. The CAMEOX is good looking and comfortable to hold and use. There's front and back. maximum battery life, stay connected longer with the power efficient 2050 mAh removable battery, up to 15 hours of talk time, and power saving mode that lets you do more in a single charge. Man, I'm just not a fan of the power. I'm not a fan of the charging port. The case I'm just not a fan of. I think it's in a weird ass location. More room for stuff with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM, and up to 128 GB of expandable memory. You can store more of what you love: photos, videos, apps, and games without running out of memory. Alright. Selfies and so much more. Use the wide angle selfie camera to capture your front side, and with one click collage creator, you'll have all your friends liking your snaps. Alright, so it has collage mode on. That's pretty cool. If you guys are into making collages on your pictures, this phone will get you covered for that. There's the dimensions of the phone. It's 5.57 inches on the height, 2.83 inches on the width, and 0.39 inches on the depth. It weighs 5.4 ounces. It has a 5-inch display. It has dragon tail glass, 854 by 480 pixels. That's about 196 ppi there, so the display will look like shit, trust me. It's 16 million colors, a 5 megapixel rear facing camera with flash, 720p video at 30 frames, 2 megapixel front facing camera, and 2050 mAh battery. It is removable, that's a 15 hours of talk time, standby time up to 20 days, and audio playback 70 hours. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 quad-core 1.1 GHz, up to 16 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of expandable storage, 2 GB of RAM. It has Android 7 nougat. I'm gonna say 7.1 nougat. It has LTE, of course, which is good. It has bands 2, 4, 5, and 12. It has 4G, 3G, has GSM, Wi-Fi. It's a quad band. 8 to 11 ABGN Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1. Mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. Wireless emergency alerts, yes. Nano SIM card, yes. Apps, there's a lot of apps on this phone from AT&T, and what you guys get is AT&T App Select, AT&T Hotspots, AT&T Remote Support, AT&T Visual Voicemail, AT&T Setup and Transfer, DirecTV, AT&T Device Help, AT&T Drive Mode, Lookout, and YP Mobile. You download Page Mobile there. Included apps: it's Facebook App Manager, Amazon Shopping, and Uber. My AT&T provides fast, easy account access virtually anytime, anywhere. And Google Chrome is your default browser, but you can download other browsers from the app from the Play Store if you guys want. Your sensors are ambient light, proximity, accelerometer. Your text messages, of course. Music Play is Google Play Music. There's your supported file, your supported formats. Hearing aid, device rating, and all that. And what you guys get in the box, I don't even know what you guys get in the box, or even if it says anything about the box. So I don't tell you what you guys get in the box, but yeah, there's guys the Alcatel CAMEOX for AT&T prepaid. It's a refurbished phone. It's $44.99. So you guys are not getting much with this phone. I think it's the same phone as Alcatel A30. I think it's the same phone as that, but this is a refurbished phone, guys, so do keep that in mind. It's $45, so it is what it is, guys. The specs on it are not that great. The processor is old as fuck. It has a Snapdragon 210, old as fuck. At least it has 4G LTE mobile hotspot, and it has an Android nougat. It's not the latest version of Android, but nougat is not that bad. So if you guys are looking for a first-time smartphone, a backup phone, a trap phone, or whatever, the Alcatel CAMEOX might be the one for you. I do love the name of the phone. It's a great name. So, but the specs on it, you know, it's a budget phone, so it is what it is, guys. So if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.